Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to start off by asking you guys a question. What's something that you haven't seen before in the NBA? So, over the course of my lifetime, I've seen countless good Rookie of the Year campaigns, from Malcolm Brogdon's to Luka Doncic's. But what we're seeing from LaMelo Ball is something that we haven't seen in 60 years. So, according to Charlotte Observer's article on why LaMelo Ball should win Rookie of the Year, he's the first person since Wilt Chamberlain to lead his rookie class in all major statistical categories. Now, since the time of that article being published, LaMelo Ball broke his wrist, and since then, Anthony Edwards has upped his points per game to 18.3, which is 1.4 points per game higher than LaMelo at the moment of recording this. That's according to basketballreference.com. Now, with that being said, it's still incredibly impressive that LaMelo is doing something that we still almost haven't seen in 60 years. Now, what's even more impressive is while LaMelo is averaging over 16 points a game this season, he's doing this efficiently. So, according to the Rookies tab on basketballreference.com, LaMelo Ball is leading his rookie class in effective field goal percentage. So, effective field goal percentage is the average of your 3-point percentage, free throw percentage, and your field goal percentage all into one. So, it's the best indicator of how efficiently a player is doing. So, it's incredibly impressive that somebody who's the second leading scorer in his rookie class is somehow the most efficient. That's mind-boggling to me. The third reason why I think LaMelo should win Rookie of the Year is his competition. There's not really anyone in the race. If LaMelo hadn't been hurt, he would be running away with this right now. And now it's barely even a discussion. LaMelo Ball's only competition is Anthony Edwards. As I mentioned before, Anthony Edwards is averaging an impressive 18.3 points per game, but he's also doing this very inefficiently. According to the stats page on NBA.com, Anthony Edwards is shooting 40% from the field. That ranks near the bottom of not only his rookie class, but the entirety of the NBA. So, who would you rather want? An inefficient scorer whose team is the second worst in the NBA? Or do you like somebody who leads his rookie class in every category but one, and even in the one category which he's second in, he's the most efficient at, and his team is 8th in the East, which is currently in the playoffs? I know who I'm picking, and it's definitely not Anthony Edwards. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you go out and vote for LaMelo Ball.